apricot, sweet and bright. Orange color, yummy bite. B for banana, long and yellow. Healthy fruit for every fellow.
C for cherry, tiny and red. Juicy drops that everyone spread.
D for dragon fruit, pink outside, white inside with seeds wide.
E for elderberry, purple and small. Healthy berries loved by all. F for fig, soft and sweet. Nature's candy, fun to eat.
G for grapes, green or blue. Sweet round clusters just for you. H for honeydew, cool and light. Summer fruit that feels just right. I for Indian fig, desert treat. Spiky outside, inside sweet. J for jackfruit, big and grand. Largest fruit across the land.
K for kiwi, brown outside. Green and juicy on the inside.
L for lemon, sour and bright. Adds fresh flavor to every bite.
M for mango, king of taste. One sweet slice you never waste. N for nectarine, juicy and round. Peach-like flavor all around.
O for orange, juicy and fun. Peel it easily one by one. P for papaya, soft and mellow. Orange inside, tasty yellow. Q for quince, firm and rare. Cook it gently with love and care. R for raspberry, red and sweet. Tiny berries you love to eat. S for strawberry, heart-shaped treat. Juicy, tasty, super sweet. T for tangerine is citrus bright. Easy to peel, pure delight.
U for Eucalypt fruit, bumpy skin. Tastes like citrus from within. V for Vanga, African taste. Sweet and tangy, never waste.
W for watermelon, big and green. Red juicy slices, summer queen. X for Zinnia, small and yellow. Wild fruit, tasty fellow. Y for yellow plum, golden and bright. Soft and sweet, a lovely sight. Z for zucchini fruit, mild and green. Fresh and light, healthy cuisine.